You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this currency from different countries around the Middle East, Egypt, Lebanon, Syria. If you want to learn more currency names that are confusing, stay tuned. Piastres. Yes, essentially the R goes after the E in the pronunciation, even though in the spelling it's before. Alright. It comes from French piastre. The singular is one piastre, or piastre, as the American would say, in American English. Piastres, the plural, piastres, or piastres, piastres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.